AI is such a massive problem right now. Just look at this. Most of these comments don't see that this is AI and this guy is selling some sort of looks maxing program or some looks maxing ebook or whatever it is. It's insane. This is crazy. The whole thing, which is soon gonna happen, visual proof is not gonna be enough for anything. If you sell a product that works, nobody's gonna trust your product anymore to work, because this is something which also looks like it works. Like his program looks like it works. He figured it out. He has like a full-on personal brand here. He's posting these stories. He has these like before-after pictures where he looks bad and then good. We're seeing the same thing with girls like this. And look at the comments here, like 81,000 likes, 16,000 likes. Scars are beautiful. They don't get it. They don't see the problem. And she's promoting her OnlyFans. Everything here is fully AI generated. Every single picture, and she added little controversy with her face scar, and she still looks good, and that's why it goes viral, and she's more relatable because she has some sort of flaw. You can make viral content that just pops out of nowhere, and the difference between what it was a few months ago or like half a year ago or so is that you showing your face, you only have one face. You lose your face once, you promote something that's shit, and then that's it. Your face is gone. Your credibility is bad. Here, there's zero credibility problems. Like this guy behind this account doesn't give a fuck at all about this girl being exposed for AI because his face is not there. And we're seeing it everywhere. Like this girl adding Andrew Tate after the fight to also promote her OnlyFans. I want to tell you guys that we're moving in a direction which is not good at all. This stuff is gonna kill a lot of online businesses which are legit. If you want to sell a product on TikTok Shop, on dropshipping, wherever you want, this might become a really big problem because the whole space is just gonna be burnt. When you just scroll anywhere and see videos like this, it looks real. Like I don't see the AI-ness. The before after transformation looks semi-believable. It looks like the same guy, just better looking. Everything's fine. And this is what you clearly can see in all the comments as well. Now, there's only two options. Either the market is going to get burnt like crazy and people are going to stop buying and are going to be super cautious. Or, and this is what I think could happen, is there's going to be a lot of regulations in place to stop this. Because you have to think about who's making money here. TikTok or Instagram or Facebook make money from people purchasing. If you run a Shopify store and then you run Facebook ads and then you scam people, Shopify will ban you. Why? Because they're scared that you are burning Facebook as a whole as a marketplace. If you're somebody who buys something off Facebook ads and you have a bad experience, you might not purchase from Facebook again. So Facebook is super against that, which makes Facebook add regulations and bans, and that's why you guys all know that Facebook is really strict with blocking your accounts. The same thing is going to happen soon on TikTok Shop, and TikTok Shop is also very strict with having good shipping times. They only approve certain sellers, and that's why affiliate is so good. But the problem with affiliate is you can go as crazy as you want. Well, there's one very specific difference between dropshipping your own product versus running a TikTok Shop affiliate brand. If you run TikTok Shop affiliate, you do whatever the fuck you want. The brand is mostly responsible and you're not. Like you're kind of in the safe zone that if something goes wrong, if there is a block, it doesn't happen on your side or it's not that big of an issue. As a TikTok Shop seller, if your seller account gets blocked, you're fucked. If your affiliate TikTok Shop accounts get blocked, you just buy a fucking new account and that's not an issue. So what happens here is this affiliate space is kind of getting out of control in general with these AI videos, and that will be stopped by TikTok as a whole very soon, because the same way they understand they can't approve TikTok Shop sellers who have shipping times longer than a week or so, because people who bought on TikTok once had a bad experience and they're not going to buy again. They understand the same thing here. If an affiliate promotes some crazy thing which doesn't work, then they're going to have the problem. So they're going to crack down on this a lot. I'm predicting this right now. The space is going to move in a very, very chill direction in the next year, I think, because of the regulations, which are just going to crush everyone who's doing these things. So right now, do whatever you want. But anyways, let me show you a few more videos which you can do right now. This here is ridiculous.
This lip kit is absolutely amazing, and the colors are...
The videos are just so good. They're like almost undistinguishable. level. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to say, no, there's this human touch which is going to be missing and all of that. This is the most annoying take out there in general. Ask any Uber driver if they're going to be replaced by self-driving cars. They're going to always say one thing. No one knows the streets like I do. I'm the best driver. A car can't do this ever. A doctor will say, no, I make the perfect decisions because I've done this for such a long time. I have this human element. I make these rational decisions which are in the moment, which AI will never be able to do. It's always about your own role where you think you're the most safe. Let me be not delusional here. Online businesses are going to have a really tough time soon. A really tough time. We have a few years, 3 to 5 max, until this will be not possible anymore. Like, I genuinely don't think you're going to be able to outcompete any AI with anything. Because look, there's 3 skills which were really valuable a year ago: copywriting, video editing, and creative marketing. These 3 things, if you had these 3 things down, you go viral, you make money, it's all good. Imagine the AI does these 3 things better than you. What the fuck do you do then? Every single beginner who has none of these skills is at the same level as you are, because you both are controlling the AI and the AI is out competing both of you, so it's the same. It's literally the same. And let me please show you this. Pictures like these, which are AI but don't really look AI, or like this one right here, is something which is very concerning. The crazy thing here is though, this is real. I didn't trust this. When I saw this image, I was on Instagram and I saw this image, I thought it was fake before I checked out the account. I thought this is not real. But it is. They released some of the Epstein files and I actually looked through the images and it's like, this could have been done by Nano Banana. Like, I don't know, literally look like AI generated images. I have no idea anymore. And it's just like, okay, I always have to like double check whenever I look at any image at this point. What is going on? Am I sure I'm looking at the thing which I think I'm looking at? So it's really scary. Imagine you can just A/B test AI personas. Like, you can test 20 personal brands and just see which one is going to do best. You will just outcompete every single human. And I understand you guys are all excited because right now the opportunity is crazy. You can make ridiculous amounts of money with AI. I just think a little bit longer term and I understand, okay, in the next few years it's fine. So I hope over the next 1 or 2 years, they're going to add regulations which are going to have to make you verify somehow. It's really tough for me to think of the best perfect like verification process, but I would really hope that an account would have like a verification human badge. And right now, honestly, it's just a mess. Until all of this happens, right now, in my opinion, the best thing to do is just stack money in your bank account. If you just go into this crazy world, which is about to happen in the next few years, being broke, it's going to be even worse. The best way to go about this, in my opinion, right now, use the AI stuff as an advantage. I'm not telling you to fucking scam people with this, but what I'm saying is you can use AI in a lot of really good ways to market your products in a good light, as long as the product itself is actually good. Especially using TikTok Shop Affiliate. Right now, this is by far the best way to make money. You go on TikTok, you become an affiliate for a brand. You don't have any issues with anything. If something goes wrong, it's the brand's issue, not your issue. And you as an affiliate only have to deal with going viral, which is fucking easy right now with AI content. What we do in our mentorship program is we actually help you pick really good products that can be sold using AI in a way which is significantly less crazy than what I've showed you here. So if you are interested in getting that brand connection where you get really good affiliate deals because we pre-negotiated them already, and your only job is just going to be making the AI videos, posting them on TikTok, and then going viral, which we're going to teach you how to go viral, then click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to talk to you very soon.